Hello all, welcome to Rupa Cloth Store, Nanganallur. This is Arun. Today's video is going to be another set of batik printed Sungadi sarees. This is entirely different from the previous one which you have already saw. This saree comes with blouse, that is 6.3 meters will be there in the saree. And we will be seeing the collections one by one. Let's get into the video. Before that, please subscribe to our channel to get regular updates. The first saree is a mango yellow color with purple border. You can see the combination. It looks very attractive, and you can see the border. Border comes with mango design with little floral designs. And the pallu part will be the line pallu. In previous batik sarees, we saw that there are a lot of floral designs with lines, but in this saree you will have only line pallu. These are some differences for both the sarees. And again, one more difference will be this comes with blouse. With blouse in the sense it will be 6.3 meters of sarees, and you will get a blouse separately. I will show you the blouse of the saree. What you are seeing is the blouse part of the saree, and you will have designs in the border also, which you can use it for sleeves. Next on is a pink color saree with the purple combination. Pink is always an attractive color in any of the sarees. This pink with batik prints gives you extra beauty to the saree. Pallu is in purple color and it's a seer mundi. Border comes in a purple color, comes with mango designs and floral designs combined. And the saree comes with blouse. This saree comes with plain blouse attached with jari border in mango and floral design. This can be used as sleeves. Price of the saree would be 675. Next one will be olive green with brown color combination. You can notice all this saree will comes with rare color combinations, and you will have floral green and brown colors all over the body. And some people would like to drape Iyengar Madizar in 7 knots or 7 gajam. Similarly for Telugu people, and Navori style also will prefer the same. Color of the pallu will be brown, and you can see the border. Border is a brown color with gold jari, comes with mango and floral designs, and this cost of the saree would be 675 rupees. There would be a little color difference as we shoot in different lightings, and I will show you the blouse part of this saree right now. This one what you are seeing is a blouse part. Blouse comes with jari border, which you can use for sleeves. Next one is a beige with orange color combination. It's a tie and dye and wax printed batik designs, so the prints last longer. Pallu is orange color with golden lines, that is seer mundi. Border comes with orange color and mango design on it. Blouse will be plain. I'll show you the blouse. This is the blouse part, and it's a plain blouse with border jari. The jari will be in mango design. The design can be used as sleeves also. Price of the saree would be 675 rupees. Next one is mustard and green color combination, which has floral batik designs all over the body. Pallu comes with a green color and jari lines on it, like this is an Adayar Talapu. Border of the saree comes with green and has gobram designs, which looks so gorgeous. As I said, it's a 6.3 meter saree and with blouse. The blouse will be plain green and has gobram border on it. The cost of the saree would be 675 rupees. You can, if you like to purchase this saree, you can log on to www.jowli.com, or you can contact the below WhatsApp number, and you can directly visit the store, Rupa Cloth Store, Naganallur, and you can buy many collections. Next saree is a light red shade with brown combination. Border comes with mango zari on it. Pallu will be brown color, and it's a seer mundi. Blouse will be plain with mango border, which I will show you later. Length of the saree will be 6.3 meters, and price of the saree is 675 rupees. Blouse will be in brown color, and you will have a mango zari in the border so that you can use it for sleeves. Price of the saree would be 675 rupees. Next saree is a thick peach color saree with maroon combination. You can see this floral designs which is in batik all over the body, and the color combination will be superb. And you can see this pallu, it's a line pallu. You will have golden lines on it, and if you see the border is a temple border with golden color. And this is the saree which blouse has been attached already, and the saree meters will be 6.3, and I'll show you the blouse part. This is the blouse part, and it's a plain blouse with temple borders on it. This borders can be used for your sleeve. Next saree is a Rama green color with maroon combination. You can see this Rama green, which is very different, combined with maroon, and it's all batik prints all over the body. And you can see the pallu is with golden lines, that is seer pallu, and a border will be of floral and mango designs combined. If you would like to place the order, you can just reach our WhatsApp number, which is given below. I will show you the blouse part again. And price of the saree will be 675. Now we are seeing the blouse part. The blouse is a plain one, and you will have floral and mango designs on the border, which you can use it for sleeves also. Next saree is a parrot green color with bottle green combination, and it's a floral designs all over the body, and it's completely of batik designs. And you can see the pallu is line pallu, and the border will be mixed of mango design and the floral designs everywhere. The line will be mundi will be seer mundi. The color of the mundi will be purple, and this combination is a superb combination. You will have floral designs all over the body with green and parrot green combination. You can see the border color will be superb with this green. And I'll show you the blouse part also. If you want to place the order, you can directly log on to www.jowli.com, or you can reach our WhatsApp number, which is given below. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to Rupa Cloth Store, Naganallur, so that you will get regular updates on time. Thank you.